There's nothing insects hate more than lemon balm and lemon eucalyptus oil. So I remember when I was a kid, we used to spray off right on our skin to prevent mosquito bites. We just never knew how harmful that really is. Spraying a pesticide directly on your skin is the largest organ of the body. And when you do that, it bypasses all of your filters, your gut, your liver, your kidneys, and it goes right into your body. Now, these pesticides have been known to cause cancer, so this is something you just don't want to do. I still see people do it. So I'm making an alternative to that today. I take a spray bottle like this, and I fill it about 3/4 of the way to the top with filtered water. And I label it. And then I put about 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus oil. You can also use citronella oil. It's always good to give it a good shake before you use it too. Now also in the summertime, I use these in the laundry. Now I don't use dryer sheets because they're not healthy, but once you put that in the wash, just put maybe 10 drops in there. Once you put it in the dryer, if you don't use anything scented in there, the insects can still smell it on the clothes, but you can't. So it does help keep mosquitoes away from you, especially if you like to walk through the woods. I keep this in my car because I like to go for trail runs, and you could just spray this right on your body. Now this will last me a really long time. I could probably go through maybe 2 summers, maybe 3 with this bottle. And there you have it. Homemade, quick and easy insect repellent. Also, you can plant this around your patio or wherever you're going to be outside, and it will keep insects away. And it's a mint, it's edible. Sometimes I'll take the leaves and put them in a bottle of water. It'll make it taste nice and lemony. But it will take over your yard if you don't keep it trimmed up. Now this here is mint. Now I don't know if this is true with lemon balm, but I know mint. This is spearmint, I believe. If you chew a leaf, it helps get rid of heartburn. Now, I don't personally get heartburn, but other people in my house do this. Just a little something I thought I would show you while I'm out here.